Hi guys, welcome back to my artistry. In this video, I will show you how to smoothen the edges of the resin coasters. Whenever you pour the resin in the coaster's mold, it curves up on the top surface forming a lip. You can see it here. This lip should be carefully removed to gain a uniform smooth surface. For smoothing, I prefer sanding block rather than sandpaper. This block has two grades. The bronze surface is coarse grade and the black surface is the medium grade, and the other one the medium and the fine one. The brown one is a medium grade and the black one is fine grade, which is like 320 grade. So we begin sanding the coaster starting with coarse to medium to fine. The most important thing here is to form an angle between the sanding block and the coaster edge. I don't go for a usual 45 degrees angle as it will result in a bevel. So I go for a smaller angle that is between 5 to 10 degrees. When we sand, make sure the sanding block touches only the edge of the coaster and not the surface. Otherwise, there will be scratches on the coaster surface and it will be a headache to remove them, especially if you're dealing with hand instruments like me. Remember, we are only removing the lip here and not dealing with the surface of the coaster. In the past, I was using sandpaper to remove the lip. The reason I am not using the sandpaper anymore is that there will be scratches near the edges if we use the sandpaper parallel to the surface of the coaster, or if we use sandpaper at the angle, there will be bevel on the edges. I hope it makes sense. To avoid this, I am using sand block, which can avoid both the bevel and the scratches near the borders of the coaster. You literally have to sand it only a few times from coarse to fine grade to attain smooth edges. Just running the finger to look for any sharpness. Actually feel for any sharpness. There is a little more here, so sanding it more with a coarse grade. Cleaning off the dust with a brush. Now I am using the medium grade side of the block. It's much smoother now. Finally, using the fine grade of the other block. I love to incorporate new methods to improve my art and try to achieve perfection. I hope you guys liked the video. Do subscribe to my channel May Artistry and leave a comment below. Now it's very smooth. A little more here. There are certain imperfections on the back side, so I am using the sanding block here just a little bit. Now I am satisfied with this one, and I will do the rest of them off the camera. Here are the coasters after I painted the edges silver. Look how amazing they look. Take care guys and goodbye. See you soon.